Welcome everyone to Project Protein. I'm Jason Catalano. On this channel, we're all about a high protein diet. For this video, we're gonna be going over the orange malt protein weight loss smoothie. All right, so just give a little bit of an overview for this particular smoothie. This is part of a weight loss type of smoothie, especially for the oranges. I use the mandarin oranges in this one, so a little bit higher calories than normal, but that's okay. It's still gonna help you on your weight loss journey. And for me at least, I like to think of this as a very, very simple type of smoothie. If you like Orange Julius, or if you like an Orange Dream Machine from Jamba Juice, you're gonna love this one. So, comes in about 417 calories, 49 grams of protein. And for me, I like to just think of it as it's a very rich and full tasting orange type of smoothie. So with that, you're gonna get a lot of orange. And the orange is gonna provide vitamin C, it's good for immunity, good for good healthy skin. And I really like just the orange flavor sometimes. I crave it. You know, I think about like an orange sauce from Panda Express. Really good. So sometimes when you're craving that orange, you just gotta get it. And especially in the morning time, this one's gonna really help you out. And talking about orange, you're also gonna get some orange Jello. And for me, the orange Jello just really heightens the orange flavor. Now, the orange Jello is a little bit artificial and concentrated, which is okay. We're only using about a half teaspoon, so it's gonna thicken it up. And what you're also gonna get is just a very elevated orange. The orange is definitely prominent in this one, so that's the main flavor. The next thing you're gonna get is some malted milk. And the malted milk definitely makes this more interesting. It's just not a pure orange. You get a little bit of that kind of milk and not so much creaminess, but just kind of like a nice fuller milk type of flavor. It definitely comes through on this, and it just makes it not just so high-end orange. So you will get some really, really good fullness as well. Last, we gotta get our protein in, and that's gonna be, for me, I'm using Purely Inspired. I like it. They sent me a bunch of free protein powders. I've been using them, and I like it. It's got a little more of a stevia sweetness, so it kind of adds that in there too. And then just it's plant-based. It's got more, fiber. And for me, I don't get enough vegetables in my diet, so this is a good option if you lack a lot of vegetables. A little bit less protein than a lot of the other brands, but I think considering we have egg whites and Greek yogurt, not going to be a problem. With that, let's go ahead and make it. All right, first flavors. This is basically an Orange Dream Machine high protein version from Jamba Juice. The orange here definitely is the most prominent flavor. It shines through. There's some good citrus notes to it. Not too sweet though. Definitely the malted milk kind of blunts the sweetness just enough, but it's definitely sweet enough. And I'm definitely getting the orange Jello, and the orange, like that orange is coming through, a little bit citrusy. Malted milk definitely is there. And I like it because it's simple. Honestly, the flavor, it's not complicated, it's not crazy, it's just very straightforward. I want orange flavor, here we go. The malted milk just kind of complements the orange, it doesn't take over. And overall, it makes it a little bit more well-rounded, but ultimately, if you want orange weight loss type of smoothie, you're gonna have to check this one out. All right, thanks for staying tuned all the way into the video. I definitely appreciate it. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's free to you, and you're gonna help out the channel and get more high protein recipes. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. I wanna hear what you guys have to say about this particular recipe and other videos you wanna see on the channel. And with that, cheerio.